Alrighty. Well, I would say it's time to get ready. Today is the 13th, so February 13th. It's a Monday, and I got my S23 Ultra, as well as my Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So I'm going to be unboxing these and kind of taking a look at it versus my S22 Ultra and my iPhone. So a little bit sticky. Didn't cut the tape all the way, but it's fine. There we go. Look at that. Now, I did go with the green. It's a little hard to pick up here. Let me see if I can. No, maybe not. Yep. Okay. It's a little bit better. I'm currently filming with my S22 Ultra, so I'll put a comparison here in just a second. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. We got a few little symbols. Satisfying. Oh, there you go. You can see my little rig there. Hello. This actually, it feels, I want to say it feels a little bit lighter. So that is, that's interesting. It feels a little lighter, but thicker and more premium. I actually like the way it feels. The sides are a little bit more flattened out instead of the harsh curves, and it fits in the hand, I want to say perfectly. This is nice. So we'll go ahead and I guess turn it on and see about setting it up. It's beautiful. All right, so while that turns on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the Buds2 Pro. Like I said, I do have the S22 Ultra, and I also have the previous versions of the Buds. So go ahead and take this out. I can't see. We have the box, we have a cable. Then again, no charging brick. We do have the charging cable for the S23. Happy about that. You can't have too many cables. You can, and I definitely do. So go ahead and take this paper wrapping off. Right ahead, the new ones are a little bit smaller. So just little size comparison. And it feels it's a different material. It's not glossy. It's like a matte finish. So these are, that looks much better. Much better. Now for these, I like them a lot. They do a good job with the noise canceling, but they do kind of fall out of my ears some. So I'm excited to see about these. The design does look a little bit different, so excited about that. But those are the two Buds. I have the welcome screen, and just as a comparison, take the case off my iPhone. We have comparison size, basically the same size. The S23 Ultras, well, I say same size, it's not the same size at all. Look at that, it's a pretty big difference. I'm not a heavy iPhone user. I do use it for work, so that's the reason that I have it. But let me get this set up, and I will see you in a moment. We are back. Welcome back. So I have the S22 Ultra here, and I have the S23 Ultra here. As you can see, they are roughly the same size. The big difference to me, and what you'll see on here, is the way the edges are on the outside. They're not as curved. I'm trying to see if I can get it kind of in the light good enough. So it's a little thicker, and the edges are a bit more flat. They're not as harshly curved. So I say harshly, it's not really that harsh, but the it's flatter. so it feels better in the hand, and it also feels a little bit wider. So let me see if I can go. Yep, it is a little bit wider. Look at that. So it's a little wider. I believe it's the same height, 6.8 inches. But I love it so far. It is very quick. I'm still updating a lot of the stuff. As you can see, we still have the same sort of camera layout. They are a bit bigger. Get that. There we go. A bit bigger. I'm very excited to use the camera on this one with the 200 megapixel, the 8K 30, and just all the enhancements, the nighttime photography, the nighttime video. I plan on doing some short movies on this channel as well, so I'm excited to do that. But I am going to throw a case on here. I like clear cases. It's just a preference because I like being able to see the phone. And because of this color, I also have my O snap grip to kind of go with it. So I'll be replacing that and putting this case on. We can just go ahead and put it on. Nice and easy. If I can get it open, there we go. So I'll put the links in the description below for the case, as well as the O snap grip. It's a grip that I've used since their original. They've done a lot of different iterations. What it does, it's kind of like a pop socket, except it's better. So with this one, it's got this little elastic or rubber piece that kind of holds it together. Spin it around. It's magnetic, so it can stick to stuff. And I really loved it. They have a new one that is all a high strength plastic that I have not ordered for myself, but I did order it for a gift. But as you can see, I do like the clear cases. So let's go ahead and pop this in. Boom. Look at that. Nice and simple. Buttons feel good. And I love it. So I will be testing out both the phone as well as the new Buds. So stick around. I'll be posting some pictures, video on social media. So follow me below on those links. And I'll be posting some videos as well on YouTube here. So stay tuned for that. Appreciate everybody watching. If you can, leave a like, share. Let me know your comments below. Are you excited for it? Did you order it? Are you an iPhone person or an Android person? Let me know, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.